Zero to Hero YouTube, back with another video, my boy. This is starting stocks for a beginner. I got all my blueprints right here. I got what I do, and I'm finna show you exactly what I do. And we're gonna get right into it right here. You know, I'm gonna show you what I grab, I'm gonna show you what I buy. I'm breaking down the actual stocks that started helping me build my wealth from scratch. I'm gonna start a whole new profile, and we're gonna just go off on what I'm doing that I don't. This is just free information I'm giving out. I'm just showing y'all what I do. Y'all don't gotta do exactly what I do. Don't think I'm trying to get y'all to buy into these stocks specifically. I'm not a sponsor. This is just what I get into. And I feel like my plan's been pretty good. I'm gonna put some examples up on the board, but I feel like what I've been grabbing of stocks has been pretty good, and I'm gonna show you examples of exactly everything I've been grabbing. If you're young and starting out, this video is for you. If you don't know what to do, I'm going to show y'all what I do. Like I said, y'all can follow me. Y'all don't gotta go into everything I'm getting, but you're gonna see my kind of process of these things and why I'm getting it. I'll show you how to make your money also while learning the game. That's exactly what I'm finna do. I'm gonna show you how to make your money also while learning the game. All right, a big household name that I know y'all know someone who got one of these. Y'all know somebody who owns a product. It's somewhere in your house probably right now. Apple. Apple is a huge company. Y'all know Apple is one of the biggest companies on the planet. That's why it's a perfect starter stock. Apple's not slowing down. There's only growth with this. Apple's not going down, my boys. It's not. They keep growing because people stay loyal. Think about it. If you grab an iPhone, you're going to keep an iPhone and Apple products for how long? That's why they're one of the number ones. Mind you, they're also stepping into heavy AI and wearable tech. Like, they're for the future. So this is definitely one of the stocks that's going to be in our portfolio for pretty much ever, honestly. It's Apple. Let's be real. And I'll show y'all the proof. Y'all know, y'all proof's been here the whole time. But I got the next one right here. Another giant we like. Different examples here. I'm going to get into them. I'll make a more in-depth video if y'all want. If y'all want to throw in the comments, I'll make a more in-depth video about each stock and why I'm getting them. But right now, I'm just trying to throw them out there and just give y'all a couple of reasons why. I don't want to overload y'all with information as I'm trying to talk to y'all. I don't want to give y'all too much and then confuse y'all. So I'm just giving y'all reasons, okay? One good thing I grabbed is Microsoft. Microsoft owns Windows, Xbox, the Office. We're deep into AI too, and we all know right now AI is the future. AI is the next like 10, 15 years, I won't lie. I don't think until they have robots in our house, they're not slowing down on this. If you ask me personally. Any company in the AI, we like them right now, 100%. They're cloud businesses, something called Azure, I don't really know too much about, but they own that too. And Microsoft gives out dividends. That means they pay you for owning them. And we'll get more into that as we go by, but we love that. We love companies that'll pay us for owning them. Clearly, we're shareholders now, which is another thing I'll get into later, but now we own a piece of the company, which is stock, so we are a shareholder, so they pay us. And now the next stock we're gonna be getting into, Amazon. I don't know if I really need to say too much about Amazon, but let's be real with each other now. It's Amazon. Who doesn't want a piece of Amazon? Come on. Mind you, y'all think them dropping off the packages is real gold. They got something called AWS that I'll get into in a whole nother video. If y'all want another video like that, drop it in the comments and I can talk about it. But AWS runs a lot of shit. They run websites, apps, AI systems. It's insane. Y'all heard about the other day at the time of this recording on, hold on, what's the date? October 23rd, Amazon just went out and a bunch of other stuff just went out. I don't think I got to tell you much anymore. We like Amazon. We love Amazon. Love Amazon. They put a lot of their profit back into their business. I don't know around y'all, but around me, there's a lot more Amazons popping up. They're only getting bigger. Amazon's not slowing down. Amazon's only going to get bigger. Next stock we really like is Nvidia. Nvidia is one of these new tech things, and Nvidia is running the tech world right now. So there are a lot of other tech companies out there, but top dog is Nvidia. Every big tech company uses Nvidia chips. Every one of them, not a single one doesn't. They all use Nvidia's chips. Apple, Tesla, ChatGPT, whatever you can name. Their growth has been crazy. If you go look at it, the growth has been absolutely insane. AI is not going anywhere. They're only gonna get larger. So we gotta capitalize on this. Gotta grab Nvidia. Nvidia needs to be in your profile, 100%. If you ask me, it's in my personal. Like I said, I'm not trying to sell anybody anything, but yes, Nvidia is in my profile, 100%, and I will continue grabbing it. Now, another company I love is Reality O, a sleeper. Not really a sleeper, but this is a dividend that pays you every month. If some of y'all got y'all savings accounts that pay y'all back a little bit, maybe got high yield savings accounts, but how much you got in this really will pay you more than any of those. we love reality of. They own real buildings and they rent them out to big companies and share hella profit, lovely amounts of profit that we love to see in the companies we grab. Yes, that we grab. For beginners, like think about it getting paid every month for owning something. You're gonna want that. I probably got maybe in another separate account. Right now I'm showing y'all my SoFi account, but another separate account in my Robinhood account I probably got like $400 into it, and it's paying me $1.48 a month. Imagine that in a savings account. It took you how much to do that? Wait till I have $1,000 in there. It's about $2-3, my boy. Money moves, money plays. It adds up. Now, if you don't want to look into a bunch of dividend stocks, a dividend stock I grabbed, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. If you don't want to look into a lot of dividend companies, you always could, but you want to be careful. Some of them have high yields, but they probably won't be companies that'll stick around for a while, because again, they might be paying them people back, but you also want them putting a good amount of money into the company so it gets bigger. You don't want people to be putting too much into something and then they're not growing. But if you don't want to do your research on all that dumb stuff, like I said, if you want me to drop videos about all that, put them in the comments. This right here is basically the top dividend companies all in one stock. You don't even gotta do too much research, and this one pays you every month too. But like I said, it got limits. There's some better, there's some worse. I mean, this is the best one, again, non-fail, because you know when you do stocks like these, they throw out the bad ones and just put in good ones, so it's not bound to go down. Now, the S&P 500 is a stock that is the top 500 companies on the planet. This one just kind of easy. Like, if you want a stock to just throw money in that you never got to worry about, this is the one right here. It's never going to go down. It's never going to slack. It might slack with the market because of the top 500 companies, but it's always bound to go up. If you just want something easy to do, easy to throw into, not even look at it, this one right here. It's literally the cheat code for beginners. You just throw the money in and not even look at it. Basically, it could be a savings account. We love this stock right here too. It's slow, steady, but that's what makes the millionaires, is the slow and steady ones. We're not here for a fast race. We're here to build wealth. We're not here for quick runoffs of cash. Every big company you can think of is in it. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Facebook. They're all inside of there. It's no way it will go down. If you want a good stock, stick with that one right there. Now, we like SoFi because SoFi is a young bank and investors app. It puts investing, banking, and credit stuff in helping you figure out your expenses all in one app. It's low-key like an investing app for the younger people, for real. It makes stuff really a lot easier. Right now, there's a couple different apps you got on your phone for everything you do. SoFi got all of that in just the one banking account with the high savings yield. I personally use SoFi. I don't know if y'all will. I'll have my link down below if y'all want to start a SoFi account. You'll get a free for your dollars if you sign up for the stock. If you want an investing account, if you just want a bank account, I'll put my bank link too. I think you'll get like a free $25 if you sign up using my code. It's real easy to send you right down there. Like I said, we'll both get free stock if you use my investing thing. I appreciate you for using the link below. It's still an early stock. It's early for them too, but this app has potential. I won't lie. I like the app. It makes everything mad easy. So I definitely see it having potential to blowing up. I'm not trying to sell y'all stock or nothing. I'm just telling y'all why I picked this stock, and I just like it for me. Now, CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is a company that protects companies from hackers. How many things are getting hacked all the time where people losing billions of dollars in this world? They need CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike ain't going nowhere. CrowdStrike, remember when CrowdStrike went down a couple months ago and like the airplane line was out? Where you think CrowdStrike going? Probably nowhere. We like that one. We like that stock. Every year more businesses go digital and CrowdStrike is there to help. Another stock I like Stag. Stag owns properties. Stags own warehouses and storage properties. Basically the backbone of online shopping, where everything, all them big boxes, the warehouse full of stuff is at. Stags owns the warehouses. Now, one thing I got that nobody really knows about that people sleep on, Pembina Pipeline, PBA, oil, gas, pipelines. It pays. It might sound boring, but it pays. Let's be real. Oils, gas, and pipelines ain't going away for a long time. They do say it will run out. Really, how long when? If it does, I just named 5, 8, 9 other stocks that if something happens, we're not worried about it. It moves the energy that powers everything we use. It's a steady dividend payer. That is the best thing about it. That is the reason why I got it. A nice dividend payer. Very nice. Now, for some of y'all conspiracy theorists out there, like your fellow boy who believes it all, who doesn't believe anything is true, one company that is very, very true about this company, this is one you're going to want to get. BlackRock. I know. They control the world. They run the world, just like Denzi. They're evil. It's cool, though. Do you know why we grabbed BlackRock? Y'all know why. money, money, money. But if y'all don't know why, I'll tell you. This is the boss of the money world, the big dog of the money world. They manage trillions of dollars in assets. If you want to hold something, you got something going on, BlackRock is the one who's holding it for you. When other people make money, BlackRock is always making money. They run the world. I won't lie. Well, let me not say run the world. You know, I hope FBI not gonna come chase me. Yeah. But BlackRock owns a nice amount of the world, I'll tell you that. It might be expensive, but it's one of those stocks you grab. And they pay you every like 3 months. A dividend, money they give you back that we like. We like that. We like that. Now, I got these two little smaller companies that ain't really too much to talk about. I got this company called EPR and PEY on the stock board. EPR owns entertainment companies like theaters and resorts. People are always going to go on vacations. Maybe if the world crashes, switch up out of that. Like I said, it's all risk, but they pay me every month. So we like to deal with them right now. It's all cool. If the world crashes, then we'll switch it over. It happens, but it's all good. PEY, just another dividend that pays me every month. Nothing too crazy, nothing too insane, but we like them because they pay us every month. They give us money for owning them. That is the point. We love that. And then I got a bonus stock. This is a sleeper stock, okay? I'm not promoting any of this. I'm just telling y'all about it because I can and I know it. And I just want to let y'all know that I got it. Just trying to share my information to the world. A sleeper company that I got, that I personally have worked for, that no one knows about, is Bloom Energy, okay? Say it with me again, Bloom Energy. Bloom Energy. Bloom Energy is a place about clean power. We're trying to go to the future and change the future, and y'all know they're trying to change up the way power is worked. They make the fuel cells to help the company make cleaner fuel. Mind you, if you go look when I worked there, I used to put the shell on this. Yeah, I used to put the shell on that. I don't work there no more, but you know, we didn't want them anyway. Didn't need them, but we want their stock though. Talking crazy. Now recently we've had their stock, and people are sleeping on this, but the world is going to get on notice soon. People are sleeping. The world is going to get on notice. I recently was told that they've done some big deals with other companies, and their stock jumped from $20 to $110. That is insane within the last 3 months. That is insane. It's been $20 for the last like 5 years. So what does that tell you? They are the future, and it's coming now. When the clean energy wave hits, they're going to be ahead of the game. They're going to be way up there because you know people are already trying to talk about clean energy. They're already trying to make everything electric. Imagine pulling all that electric energy out of thin air. We need that now. Sleeper stock. Just saying, don't kill the messenger. I'm just saying. I'm not making you grab it. I just think you should grab it. Just me. If you want to invest, do it small. Don't overthink it. Soon, I want to try to show y'all my Robinhood account. My Robinhood account, I got way more stocks. I'm showing y'all a new account right now. The only bad thing about SoFi is on Robinhood, I'm going to be able to do $1 at a time so we can do more stocks. SoFi wants me to put $5 at a time. It's not a big deal, but $5 adds up. We'll be real. So if you're trying to start investing, don't overthink it. Just throw in a mix in the stocks. Do your research. Everybody has stuff they're into. That'll be easier research to make you think like should you get into it. I got every kind of stock. I just talked to y'all about some stocks now, but I done talked to some people about other stuff. I got beauty stocks, some girls I talked to, some energy stocks, some medicine stocks. I know scientists out there should be helping me out a lot. So just do any research on stuff you know about. Get anything you want. Just start small. It's not a race, but you got to start somewhere. It's all test and error, trial and error. You'll learn. You'll learn. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's to set us up to win later on in life. And like I said, I'm trying to do it with y'all. We can do it here together. If y'all don't know where to start, I'm showing y'all how to start right here. I'll try to refresh on my stocks every week or two for when I put money on there, and we'll get to see what's going on. But do me a favor, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Do it here on YouTube. It's your boy Lewski. Look into the bio. You know, if you want to make a SoFi account, use my link in the subscription. We'll get a free $25. I think if you make an account, you make an investment account, we'll get free stock about $50. I even put my Robinhood account in there too. If you don't have a Robinhood, I don't know who doesn't have that yet though. But give me a little comment. Drop a comment in the stock that you're thinking about. Drop a comment in stocks that you want in the bottom of the section. We're going to grow up as a company one share at a time. Let's go.